G'day everyone, welcome to my channel, Marty Grows. This channel mostly features farming simulator gameplay. The episode's about to kick off. I hope you enjoy the show. Please hit the like and subscribe button and feel free to leave a comment. Let's get on with the show. G'day everyone, welcome back to my achievement challenge map, which we've decided to call One Tree Ranch. It's October, it's a little bit early in the morning, so we might speed up time a bit to get to a bit clearer time of the day. Oops, not that much. Okay, today we've got a couple of things on the go. We're taking the harvester over now to a very big soybean field that will harvest and then shove in a soybean oil processing mill. We have our cotton field to harvest to help add to the bale count that needs to be sold for the achievement. And I've also got a couple of tractors going pruning some grapevines. We might jump across to the cotton harvester first to get that going, and then we'll quickly swing by the grapevines, I think. So I'll see you all at the cotton harvester in just a second. Look at that, black magic. Alright, we're going to get this going. Got a couple of cotton fields that will be ready either next month or the month after. That will need probably both the cotton harvesters on to get through them in a reasonable amount of time. No headlands up and down, so it's only a tiny little field still. And we can see our Colossus harvester still going up the road over here, and it's heading up. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck by that tractor. Might need to move that, I think, to the soybean factory over here. I think we might jump across and get that tractor out of the way first though. Oh no, we're good. And this is the field that we're going to harvest. As you can see, this is the tiny one for cotton that we're doing. It's only a little speck on the map really compared to this field. It is simply massive. Okay, in the meantime, let's hop over here. And we can see that our grapevines are slowly getting pruned. Oh, and these four are ready to be harvested now too. Okay, we have plenty on the go today. So we've got a courseplay course running and we're getting these done fairly quickly. I might jump across to our grape harvester though and see if I can't get that set off on those 4 rows. I have a feeling if I do those 4 rows I might actually have enough to then sell for the achievement, which will be pretty damn cool. We've just got this one coming down here, pruning. Make sure I stay out of its way. So these were ready last month to be pruned, but their state hasn't changed, which is lucky, so we can do them this month. I think you can actually put a pruner on the front and back of these, but I couldn't get that to work with courseplay, and since I can just set them off like this, I'm quite happy for it to go through and do it this way. But let's go grab our grape harvester and see if we can get it going on those 4 rows. Okay, this is turning out to be a little bit busier episode than I expected it to be. Don't need to unfold it, we can just get it started. You know what, let's just smash this out. Okay, well, we didn't get enough for the achievement. I think I need 60,000 litres and I'm sitting at 56, so dull. However, I think let's get this unfolded and get it started on this field, because this is huge. I sort of want to do a course, but it's going to take hours. We won't see the end of it this episode, probably. I'm not picking up the straw because, well, I don't need it, and that would just on its own take a long time. I probably won't replant this field until the strip on the right is harvested as well. This is going to take a long time. Might go check on the cotton harvester and see how that's going. Pretty much our aim now for this episode is to get this cotton field finished and get it replanted. It's still got about 20 minutes to go until it finishes the field, so we've got plenty of time, but I know at least one bale has dropped out of it, and possibly 2. I reckon it's time to get the truck fired up and go pick them up. That was weird. I'm going to hop out of this before I break it. Okay, got our nice big ex-army truck. Let's get it on down to the cotton field and see how many bales we got to pick up. don't think this will catch up to the cotton harvester before it finishes, but we'll need to keep a bit of an eye on it. Okay, temporary course. It's picked up the right field. Up and down, and generate. And it's off. Alright, I'll catch you all over at the cotton harvester. Cotton harvester. Oh boy. I'll catch you all over at the soybean harvester. Okay, this is going really fast. Just on the basic AI worker. But we've done 4 up and down rows so far. This is the 5th. It's going to take a long time to finish. I doubt we'll see the end of it. Or maybe I'll just wait until it finishes and get a total count of how much soybean we actually pull off the field right at the end. It's going pretty quick at 70 kilometres an hour. We've got 160,000 litres of soybean done. Luckily this is fairly well modded, so I forget the total capacity, but 10%, 160, so 1.5, 1.6 million litres for this harvester by the time it's finished. I don't know if we'll have more or less off this field. It's got a long way to go. It wasn't me moving, it was just some bumps in the field and making it go sideways. That's good to know. There's our mountain boundary. Not sure if I'll just put grass over these or try and do them some different shades or what. Oh, that's interesting. Why did he go to the farm to park? I think I'm going to jump across and see what's going on there because he's meant to be planting cotton. I have no idea why this guy decided to just head over to the farm and stop. He was quite happily planting his field. We'll come back down here and see how far it got. I don't know what's going on. I do have another bale of cotton to pick up, so as soon as I get him restarted, I'll jump into the truck and go pick that up. Didn't go very far. Might just kick him off at the nearest waypoint and it should start going down there. Go get in the truck, then drive past to make sure it's still all good. Don't see any reason for it to have stopped. Just pause here for a minute and make sure that it goes past there. It's definitely allowed time for the cotton harvest to finish now, either way. Okay, it to go and pass without a problem, so I don't know what happened. We probably won't get another bale off this field, so I'm just going to park the truck over here ready for next month. After we pick the bale up, of course. I think you can just park over on this field because I won't be planting anything in this one this month. Make sure there's room for the cotton harvester to turn around. Right. The cotton harvester has indeed finished with 73% of the bale in it. So that will come in handy for next month when we do this field. I don't think that plant is far enough ahead to be able to start the roller without crashing into it within a few minutes. So I wonder if I can do the fertiliser and lime in the meantime. We'll start with lime. As far as the grape harvest goes, all of those tractors have now finished the pruning, so I've put them away just off camera. The grapevines are all good for another few months now. Okay, generate a course. We need to copy our course. See if we can avoid crashing into the planter, but we'll find out if that's successful or not. Might just jump out and jump in the lime spreader. Although these are a lot wider than the planter. Copy the course. I think once he comes up, down, I'm not sure this one will move far enough away to miss the next up and down for these. But we'll find out. In worst case, I'll stop and move one out of the way. Alright, that was mostly successful. Got a bit caught up in the last lap where we had to wait for the planter. And it wasn't too bad. We'll just jump across to the roller now and get it done. Okay, get a nice John Deere on the way. pretty good. And he's off too. Okay. It's going to take 9 minutes, so I might go and check out our soybean oil mills. Have a look at how many there are and see if I should drop another one or two in maybe, given that we're going to have probably more soybean that we can handle anyway. I'll see you all over there in a flash. Okay, I've got 2 mills and a storage silo. I think it's only about, okay, it's 800,000 litres. There you go. So, I don't know what the capacity of these are. Let's check it out. 200,000, and I've already got 400 in the harvester. And I'm not even a third of the way through the field yet. So I think I'm gonna put in another 2. And we'll spin it around this way. Try to make sure it's fairly square with it. And we'll drop 1 there. One there, and spin them 180 degrees. And put 1 there and 1 here. It's pretty close to being lined up. Soybean 2, soy oil 1, 1, 2, we'll call this one 3. So between them all, they'll be able to handle 200 times 6 is 1,200,000 litres, and then any extra that I have I can throw in here and distribute as needed. Can add in some wind generator. I think I might just add a couple of small solar collectors down here and they'll offset the production costs. It'll take about 8 months before they sort of pay for themselves, but after that it's pretty much free money. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I feel like I'm back in Sesame Street or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So it'll definitely offset the production cost of the soy mills. Alright, let's jump in this tractor and just have a ride back to the end of the field. Nice big John Deere. For a huge tractor, it's got moderately simple controls in it. It's a nice LED screen for the radio though. And all these buttons and levers that do really fun stuff that I have no idea about. Got a nice 1 drink holder, 2 drink holders, so that's good. And luckily the roller is still following us. Okay, that's it. And done. Okay, I will go see what's going on with this soy harvest. But I'll probably see you, or you, in a flash. For me, most likely 4 or 5 hours, I'm guessing. Yeah, see you in about 3 seconds flat. Okay, finally got a combine full. It's 1.25 million litres. So I can empty this into each of these, and then what's left will just have to go straight, I think, into the silo. May or may not have gone a little bit crazy on them. So there's 5 expanded ones there, and at the back there's 3, which I'll jump into here. So there's 3 and 3 plus 5, and each of them are 250,000 litres. Yeah, 250,000 litres. So we have heaps of capacity for silo space now. So I'll be able to store this without a problem. Missed it by that much. Alright, we'll get this unloaded. But that's it for this episode. I'll probably not replant this field until I can harvest that strip along there, and I'm going to leave this harvester over here to do it. I did send the other one home. So this is hopefully only a month off. Yep. So we'll be able to harvest this next month and then re-drill this whole field, and I'll probably do soybeans again. And either sell them or top up these factories depending on how they're going. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a weird episode because we've done the grape harvest and then sheared all the vines, done this soybean harvest that I wasn't really planning on, but well, we did it. And I believe we actually did a cotton field and got 2 more bales off towards our total. What will happen next month? Who knows? Certainly not me, apparently. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, leave a comment. Let me know what I'm doing wrong or what else I can do. I have a stack of land, so there's plenty of room to expand or do different things. Catch you all in the next one. Welcome back everyone. It looks like we've reached the end of another episode. I hope you enjoyed the show. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment if I've done something or you think I should try or do something else. I hope to see you all again in the next episode. Back in my box.